How to see messages on Snapchat without being friends. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn if we can see messages on Snapchat without being friends or not. So let's just dive right into the video and see how to do it. So for that, you need to open up your Snapchat first, and the only way to see messages from your non-friends on Snapchat is if that friend sends you a message if they reach out before adding you as a friend on Snapchat. So for example, if you head over to a person with whom you are not added, or if that friend heads over to our account without being added, the first thing is you need to initiate the conversation as if you have not added. So if that friend initiates a conversation with me by clicking a Snapchat and sending me, so if he clicks a snap with me and send it, we will be having a conversation started, but we won't be friends. So the only way is if you initiate the conversation. If they initiate the conversation first, we will be having a conversation, and then we can just go to our chat section and see the history of the messages that we will be doing with each other. So that is how you see messages on Snapchat without being friends. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.